Good morning, kiddos. How are you today? So, sociology kids, yes, most of you weren't here on Friday, so I am making sure we have a good video to let you know what's going on today. So, remember, this week is kind of screwed up, and as I told you on Friday, likelihood is I'm going to have to help take my dad to the doctor. And I didn't find out till late last night um, that I would have to do that. I thought she had said that, never mind. Anyway, uh, construction is construction and madness is going on at my mom's house, so she needs help today. And so I promised I would help her. So you are all on your own, but we would like to get a lot done. On Friday, because there was like 4 kids at school total at class, we started watching a video that I would likely like to show you later, but we might run out of time anyway. So I'm going to move on and I'm going to go to social stratification today. You have 3 crash course videos to watch. Remember, crash course on YouTube is easily stoppable and you can stop and fill out your worksheets that go with it. So here I'm going to show you where all the parts of the assignment are. All right, first thing in main teams page, everyone. Let's see if I can get this to be a little bit bigger so I can do my scroll bar here. All right, in your class, kiddos. All right, let me go up. Doesn't like it because I'm not full screen. Okay. You know what? I'll just send this out and update it in a minute. It will not let me scroll on the screen, so I can't get back up and forth. All right. So, if you notice, I have put the assignment stratification right here for you. Okay, so I'm going to plop this open. All right. Let's get the student view going so you can guys see. All right, so please watch all the videos related to the stratification and fill out the Word doc related to them. All right, when you get done filling out the Word doc, I want you to attach it and post it here in the assignment. The Word doc has the 3 worksheets all attached to it, and we can scroll through that. Page 1, page 2, page 3. All right, and at the top of each page is the actual link to the video that you would like to use for that particular assignment, 1, 2, and 3. But I haven't only included them there. Kiddos, I've actually literally included by number 21, 22, and 23. Those are the 3 stratification videos on Crash Course for this assignment. Okay, so tomorrow, today's Monday, and tomorrow you guys have a messed up schedule, and I don't think you start until late in the day. Also, I think that you might be brown slipped to be in my class all day on Thursday, so you can watch a video, let the people decide, and then have a conversation with the director of that film. But we'll talk about that tomorrow on our screwed up day. Remember, on main teams, I've probably posted the schedule for tomorrow. And if you can't find it there, I know you can find it on main North High page. All right, kids, I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Come to class, be here, do everything that the sub asks you to do. Make sure to check in, make sure to log in so that they can take attendance for you. And then get busy on the stratification homework, and I will see you soon. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.